For relief from cough, cold, and bronchitis, take turmeric. If you find yourself becoming frequent victim to cough, cold, and congestion, turmeric brings in good news for you. Turmeric has excellent healthcare benefits for keeping respiratory ailments away. Antihistamine activity of turmeric offers relief from congestion, coughing, and sneezing. In case of congestion, antibacterial properties of turmeric help clear your chest of the microbes that block the respiratory tract. Antiviral activity of turmeric prevents and treats the infection associated with bronchitis. The high antioxidant content in turmeric helps in reducing the irritation and giving immunity system a good boost. The incredible anti-inflammatory action of turmeric relieves the respiratory tract passages and makes it convenient to breathe properly. The herb of turmeric is known to promote mucus flow and also helps lighten its overall texture. Now, how can turmeric help? If you are suffering from acute bronchitis, you can have a nice warm glass of turmeric milk or haldi doodh before you hit the bed. Turmeric also contains some good immunity boosting properties in the form of antioxidants. The herb keeps you from falling victim to cough, cold, congestion, and other various seasonal ailments. Turmeric has since always been celebrated by various traditional systems of healthcare and well being. As per Ayurveda, turmeric or haridra has the ability to balance all the three doshas, vata, pitta, and kapha, or the energies in our body. Turmeric contains potent anti inflammatory, antioxidant, antibiotic, antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Turmeric is also widely being studied for its potential anti-carcinogenic benefits and the ability to treat cancer. Turmeric owes most of the qualities as well as its soothing saffron color to the presence of active bioingredient called curcumin. Curcumin is precisely what gives turmeric its scientific name, Curcuma longa. Turmeric, the ancient yellow root spice, also comes packed with some promising anti bronchitis properties. According to many case studies, activity of curcumin in turmeric reduces inflammatory cell count and suppresses excessive mucus secretion. Now, how to take turmeric? Turmeric used in cooking lends the dish a distinct taste, flavor, and bright yellow hue, and it also adds a dash of good health to the same. A paste of 1 tablespoon honey and 1 to 3 grams of ground raw turmeric taken 2 to 3 times a day can help. Half a teaspoon of turmeric with some pepper and honey helps it get better absorbed in your system and helps gain relief from dry cough. Consuming a glass of hot turmeric water or turmeric tea could also help you with a runny nose. Add a pinch of turmeric powder in a glass of hot water and gargle to dissolve congested mucus and find relief from throat irritation. Turmeric milk or the golden milk, the bright yellow beverage. It drives the discomfort away and makes you have a good night's sleep. Turmeric has anti allergic merits and comes to an extensive use in treating an allergic malady. Inhaling the fumes produced by burning a piece of raw turmeric makes an excellent cure for blocked nose. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder taken with warm water twice a day proves beneficial. You can use a dash of ground turmeric spice in everyday dishes and add it to a glass of warm milk and have it before you hit the bed each night. The therapeutic value of curcumin present in turmeric offers obstinate shield of resistance to the body against various diseases. In the traditional system of medicine, turmeric has been used as a powerful anti inflammatory agent since ages. Thanks to its anti inflammatory and antiseptic properties, curcumin has been used as traditional remedy to cure many maladies. Turmeric has remarkable natural medicinal properties that magically help in preventing and curing so many everyday and chronic diseases. If you are looking for some instant relief from cough, cold, and congestion, try turmeric now.